In Luke 18, we find the parable of the persistent widow, a woman who relentlessly seeks justice from a judge who neither feared God nor respected people. We know the widow's story well, her persistence, courage, and refusal to be silenced. She represents a profound silence and unwavering hope. But in a context like ours in Palestine, this parable carries additional weight. It speaks directly to the reality of those who, against daunting systems and seemingly unmovable structures, insist on justice and dignity.
I would like to introduce the chair of the Fourth ACT Alliance General Assembly. As per the ACT statutes, the World Council of Churches chairs ACT assemblies. And I have the honor to invite Professor Reverend Dr. Jerry Pillay.
ACT is indeed an essential partner of the World Council of Churches Fellowship of member churches, and an important witness to justice, peace, human dignity, and development in the world. We need to serve those in need, and we also need to change the systems and policies that keep them oppressed. And so now, it is my pleasure to formally declare the Fourth ACT General Assembly now officially open.
How can we foster solidarity and trust in times of polarization and rising fundamentalisms? This question has evolved into a survival issue for humanity. If we continue along the path of mistrust, suspicion, and simple solutions to complex problems, conflicts and war, which already is a tragic reality, will just grow in magnitude and scale. As an alliance, we can point to a different future and once again emphasize that it's only through coexistence and respect for the other person's dignity and rights that we build just, inclusive, and sustainable societies.
Let's remember the significance of this moment. Let's remember that our work, though difficult, is essential. And let's remember that together, through ecumenical diaconia, we can bring about meaningful and sustainable change. And may this assembly inspire us, renew our commitment, and strengthen us to continue the work of justice, peace, and most of all, human dignity for all. Thank you, and God bless us all.